Following the Gun Control Act of 1968 in the USA, which limited imports of compact foreign pistols, GT27 parts were imported and assembled by Excam of Hialeah, Florida, and later F.I.E of Hialeah, Florida, onto cheaper Zamak frames cast in the United States, replacing the earlier steel frames. These hybrid import models were in production until 1990 when all models were discontinued. The models may be referred to as FIE Titan E27, Excam GT27, Italy Titan, Tanfoglio GT27, GT Targa, Titan 25, or variances thereof. Beyond the Zamak frame, these models are substantially the same firearm as the original all-steel Tanfoglio GT27. It is similar to the Beretta 950 Jetfire in that it has an open barrel.